Hello everyone, Wandering Trader here, your quick take, one take trading nomad. Back with another portfolio update. So this is the progress for the week with my 5,000 shares of Wish and 5,000 shares of SoFi. So more or less, um, this week, 598 has been going up and down. Let's take a look at the chart for SoFi, the 5 days. As you see, I wrote 17 strike cover call for the weekly when it was hovering around 1540 on Monday. It dropped a little bit, and then there were some update. There was a catalyst. I believe it has been upgraded. An analyst have covered this and issued $28 price target. So let's take a look at Wish. I mentioned that I was getting antsy and I wanted to build a position in this. So opening, it was hovering around 680, 690, and I wrote 750. I got an assignment on Wish at, I believe, 7 strike a couple weeks ago. So let's take a look at my Wish play. So as you see, 5,000 shares. My cost basis right now is 677. Let's take a look at SoFi, and let's see the cost basis for that. Just bear with me while everything loads up. I am on a laptop. So my cost basis for SoFi, 5,000 shares, is 13.56. So it's straight profit right now. Okay, let's take a look of how I traded. All right, so in the week, 13th, cover call, 750, 50 contracts, premium 550, close that out. That expired. SoFi, cover call, 17. I didn't get much premium as it was gapping down on Monday. I believe it was a red day on Monday. So here, I close this out. I wrote 25 contracts, 14 strike. Because considering on Monday it was a red day, this is when premiums are best. I ended up closing this out on Thursday and moving over to Alibaba. On Thursday, it has taken a 2-day, as I indicated over here, 2 red days in a row, and I wanted to enter for a possible swing. So the strike was 150, and I believe after, I think it was hovering around 155 on Thursday. So this was the play for the week. So moving forward, I have updated the information for next week. We have expected move for SoFi, 4.7%, bear 1438, bull 1580, max pain 15. The update was the price target was upgraded to 28. Mizuho, I'm not sure how much weight they have in the analyst circuit, but on the 14th September they issued a 28 price target. Aside from that, above, so we are building on our risk and reward. We are building on my thesis. So I had 10,000 shares initially. I had 5,000. I limited the exposure. So now re-enter 25. So this is a possibility moving forward. 25 additional contracts. So 14 or 1450. And let's look at upcoming catalyst: bank charter, September Fed meeting, new competition, PayPal. How does rising interest rate affect growth fintech? Still trading 10 to 12 times revenue. The fare could be assessed at 12 to 14. Some questions to contemplate on would be customer growth. Analysts. These were the analyst news for that week. 2 weeks ago of the September 10th. So we had Credit Suisse gave a price target, I believe a neutral target of 1650. So for Wish, let's take a look. Not profitable, meanness, high competition, interest rate, foreign currency, no moat, financial, trending sideways. All-time low was 628 at that time, about 2 weeks ago. Insiders selling and getting shares from lockup. So the reward, 4.6 billion, trading around. This is the market cap. Price target, NASDAQ, and the other analysts averaging about 9.8 to 11.5. Fair 5. So my intention with this is swing and wheel. So I indicated the technicals, right? some of the put call ratios, and some of my time horizon. So I'm able to hold this position for a while. Um, Moving on to next week, how am I gonna play this? So for Wish, I am going to pull up the 24th. Wish, I'm gonna still write it around 750. So I'm going to reduce my cost basis as much as possible in the early stages. If I get it called away, that's fine. This should be about 2,500 profit. So it should be around totaling around 7,000 with the premiums if you think about my cost basis and everything. So in the beginning, while it's still going sideways and it's still volatile, still testing lows as well, this is the best time to reduce my cost basis as quickly as possible. So I could turn it, just like my SOFI, turn it into a profitable position which I could ride out for the long term. So long term, my definition of long term would be a quarter to 1 year. So that's still considered short term, but in this trading account, that's considered a long view. For SoFi, we are going to take a look at next week. So since it's all profit at this point, as you saw, my cost basis was like 13 something. I am gonna write it at 17 because there's no point of me collecting peanuts at 16 or 16.50. The additional premium doesn't mean much to me because there's so many upcoming catalysts and potential catalysts that 17 is a comfortable number. 17 strike is a comfortable number. I'm willing to let it go. If you have not followed the news, I believe there's a lot of restructuring and there's people being named. There's like some changes in management. There's also news about someone being named president of the bank and such and stuff like that. So the bank charter catalyst might be coming up. Additional analyst coverage will be coming up. Fed meetings will be coming up. So these are big catalysts that could actually move it. So I want to write a little bit higher considering where I'm at, my position. So this is my move for next week. All right. So if you like this type of content, like, subscribe. Thanks again, and take care of yourself.